Good day, everyone. My name is Verma. I'm the founder and president of RankMyAgent. Today, we're going to give you a broad overview of how you can leverage the power of online reviews using RankMyAgent. RankMyAgent was built for the real estate industry for agents looking to strengthen relationships, amplify their personal brand, generate hot leads, and establish trust. For brokers, we have tools available for you to lead and manage your agent's online reputation. We found RankMyAgent when we saw an unmet need in the marketplace. Homeowners needed a credible, unbiased platform to find out more about real estate professionals, and agents needed a real estate focused platform to gain feedback and build their brand. I come from a strong technology background, building emerging technologies for the last 15 years and also being licensed as a real estate agent. Now I'm going to introduce Anil Verma, who's our CMO at RankMyAgent.
Hello everyone, I'm Anil Verma. Just a bit about myself before we get into the presentation. My professional experience has revolved around marketing, business development, and digital strategy, having worked for FIs, insurance companies, and launching a couple of consumer startups. Now proud to be leading the marketing efforts at RankMyAgent, exercising the past experiences and building a valuable tool for real estate agents. So we'll start off with today's agenda for this presentation. We'll first discuss the impact of online reviews. We'll give you an introduction to RankMyAgent. Rithi will then step in to give you a demonstration of our back office. She'll showcase the agent's virtual office, the broker widget, and talk about the consumer experience. And I'll come back on and to end things off with our mobile play. I'd like to start off with some powerful stats that demonstrate the power of online reviews that influence our buying behavior for goods and services, from purchasing a car to finding a doctor, and of course finding the right real estate agent for the most important transaction of your life. 79% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. 81% of consumers said that they would be much more comfortable if online reviews were captured, monitored, and displayed by a neutral and credible third party. 69% of agents said leads from reviews are relatively easy or very easy to convert. So these stats clearly showcase how online reviews have become a foundational element, and it's part of this shift to buyers that RankMyAgent was built upon. So what is RankMyAgent? RankMyAgent is an online platform that connects real estate professionals to homeowners by using the power of reviews to get them recognized, generate leads, and build their online reputation. So certainly, online reviews are the cornerstone of RankMyAgent, and we could have built a very simple online review system, but we've gone beyond that. At RankMyAgent, build a platform that allows you to build your business, online profile, and reputation with customer online reviews. So what is the value proposition for professionals? It allows you to build trust with homeowners, generate leads, and expand your clientele. And of course, getting recognized for your professionalism. So the value proposition for home buyers and sellers. It allows them to read credible reviews and decide which agents they would like to opt for. It makes the home buying and the selling process much simpler. And of course, homeowners receive advice from industry-leading experts. At RankMyAgent, we're building a content hub. This is allowing us to be throughout the customer purchase lifecycle. We're here to provide education and information about, let's say, purchasing the first home, investing in a real estate property, or exploring where to buy a cottage. This is allowing us to be the one-stop source of information from the initial research to selecting the right real estate agent, and of course, leaving some amazing customer feedback. As most of you might have already visited, this is our landing page at RankMyAgent, and it's our version 2.0. Just a bit of background, RankMyAgent was launched with our beta version in January 2014. We worked with a core group of real estate professionals that were willing to test drive the site, provide us with valuable feedback, demonstrate to us how they were using the platform, and indicate what other additional features and enhancements that they desired. We then went back to the drawing board to incorporate most of their wish list items, and our latest version is a result of our first year of testing, learning, and executing. In addition, we completely changed our design to make it clean, modern, and intuitive. So very proud of how it shaped up. To highlight some of the core elements on the landing page, the search bar, which is very prominently allows homeowners to search for agents based on names, niche, neighborhood, and specialization. We have the login functionality that will take the agents to our virtual back office, which has tons of features to grow your business that Rithi will demonstrate. And of course, our validation process, which is extremely credible and allows for moderate reviews to be entered into our system. So you've just seen at RankMyAgent, we've developed a comprehensive platform consisting of various tools that you can employ to build your online profile and reputation. Now Rithi will demonstrate some of our key features of RankMyAgent.
So let's show you how easy it is to get started with RankMyAgent and how it can help you improve your online visibility and ensure you're building your brand. Reviews on RankMyAgent are moderated, verified, and based on firm or closed transactions. So we're going to start with logging in. You can use the username and password that was provided to you. When you log into your agent virtual office, you will be taken to your dashboard, and this is where you will find a lot of details about how you're performing. You will be using the agent tracker here to see how you're performing against other agents that also work in the same area as yourself. This really gives you an opportunity to benchmark your performance. We have a reviews breakdown area which allows you to view how clients are rating you in 7 metrics. These 7 metrics are neighborhood knowledge, experience, professionalism, negotiation skills, property knowledge, communication skills, contact expectations. When you hover over any of these graphs, these areas, you will find out what your client had thought for a certain transaction, what they thought the feedback was, and it really is used as a tool to help you improve your business. You can also select whether you would like to publish these reviews, these breakdowns in your consumer-facing profile, so you can select yes or no. We've seen that agents that are transparent and provide more information are certainly getting more leads, as this is really what the consumer wants today. So it all starts out with a great profile. You can go to edit profile and select the profile page. Make sure that you fill this out with your bio, your designations, your social media links, and do also include videos. You can certainly add video links as well. This also is where you would go to reset your password that was given to you. Also, RankMyAgent provides the ability for agents to specify the city and the neighborhoods that they specialize in. This gives prospective home buyers the capability to do a very specific search matching neighborhoods with agents. So you'll see that we have cities across Alberta, and we can do a hyperlocal area search to really farm into an area that you specialize in, do core of your core business. Also make sure that you do put in your market niches as well, as this really does help consumers coming in to find the right fit for them and also really understand more about what market niches and services you do provide. Now that you've set up your profile, the next step is to request reviews. And requesting reviews is very simple on RankMyAgent. On the close or firm of a transaction, click the request review button, and then you will be taken to this page. This page is where you would put in the email address of the client you just firmed or closed a deal with. You can also click to save these recipients onto your My Contacts in case if you need to reach out to these recipients in the future. And we also have a message template here. This message template can be used to request that review. You can edit the message template to personalize it. To do so, edit the text on the message box. Just make sure that you leave the links untouched, as this will make it easy for your clients to review you and go to your page. Now, all they have to do is once they receive this email, which will be personalized with your photograph and your brokerage details, is to follow the instructions. It will only take them about 5 minutes and they can go ahead and complete that review for you. Widgets have been designed to help you market your services and build your business. The more people that see your profile, the greater they're encouraged to know more about you and your specialization. Widgets also help prospects and clients easily find, connect, and engage with you. So here is the widget section. You'll see that the widget is here. It's a dynamic widget that updates with the latest reviews that we have received for you on RankMyAgent. And this certainly can be used on your own website. All you have to do is copy this code and just put it in the HTML area of your own website. And once you paste this code in, this widget will appear. Now, this widget has been filtered so that any reviews over 4 out of 5 display in this widget. We also have these social media buttons that can be used on websites, on email signatures to help promote your business and also let everyone know that you're very transparent on how you conduct your business. When you start receiving reviews, they would be coming into this area of the RankMyAgent platform, and they will be emailed to you right away. We encourage you to respond to all reviews and show your professionalism. In the FAQ area of our platform, you will find a lot of tips on how you can respond to reviews professionally. When leads do arrive, they will be arriving in the leads area of the platform, and you will also see them emailed to you directly. So please ensure that you take the time to respond to these leads right away, as research has found the faster you can respond to these leads, the more chances are they will convert over to a deal. Our blogs allow you to keep up to date with the latest content from us on digital marketing trends, online repetition building, and anything else that a digital savvy agent needs to know to grow their business. You will see a lot of articles here that we have written. We do love to contribute to REM, Inmin, and we also love to profile agents and really teach everyone else how well they're conducting their business. And also they have lessons to share with us on how we can also become better agents. So these blogs have certainly been created to really raise the bar in our industry. Please do read them. Follow us on social media on Facebook and Twitter to find out when we have new blogs out for you to read and respond to. Now let's take a look at the consumer experience on RankMyAgent. When consumers do come onto the site, they can search for agents by city, neighborhood, or agent name. When they do search for agents, they'll see a listing here of agents and also the number of reviews which show. They can also do a hyper-local search by neighborhood. And when they do this, they will see a map. And within this map, they can select different areas where agents would be working, and definitely find out more about these agents. So to give you an example here's an agent profile, and they can go ahead and read the profile, find out everything about this agent, social media handles, of course, latest reviews that are based on firmed and closed transactions. They can definitely reach out to the agent directly using the message box, and then the agent would be notified right away. When you do look at these reviews that come in, you'll see that they are quite transparent, as the different metrics here display showing what that performance was. And consumers do find this information very valuable as they're trying to pick the right agent that would meet their needs. It's very simple for a homeowner to come in and write a review for an agent. I'm going to show you how this is done. They can either connect via Facebook or create an account on the site. If they do create an account on the site, their information will never be shared to any third party, and we will never be marketing to them. The information here is just used solely for validation purposes to ensure that it is a legit client that actually did have a working relationship with the agent involved. So now I'm going to log in as a client on the system to show you how easy this whole review process is. The client logs in and is redirected to a survey. The client would be looking for the name of the agent that they would like to write a review on. If that agent is not in the database, that agent can be added. So even if your agent is not part of the system, you can certainly go ahead and add them. Now, the client comes in and can make a selection between 0 to 5 on the metrics that were related to the sale, such as neighborhood knowledge, experience, professionalism, negotiation skills, property knowledge, communication skills, contact expectations, and ranking is given based on these metrics. There was a lot of research done to figure out what were the metrics that consumers consider important as they're making this decision. And we found that these were the key skills, the key metrics that consumers, really wanted to know about. And that's why the survey was created this way. Based on these 7 metrics, an average is given, and this is the ranking of the agent. As the agent gets more reviews on the site, an average is given based on all the reviews that have happened for that agent. The consumer going in can go ahead and write a review here of their experience. They can also let us know when that agent helped them, what role that agent played, and also the location of the transaction. This actually is a very key component, the location, the role, and the date, as this really helps us with the whole validation process. Our account managers sit in-house and they really take a look at these details. They verify for themselves. They also go check with the agent that had the transaction to verify that, yes, they were that agent that had done the transaction. So our human checks are really in place. We do also have technology filters in place as well to ensure that no fraud is happening on the site, as the credibility and authenticity of the data of these reviews is the most important part for homeowners, agents, and for everyone. So this is the review process at RankMyAgent. We are very proud of the credible, unbiased platform that we have built to help agents and consumers find each other. Now I'm going to show you how you can use RankMyAgent to build your online profile. I'm going to do a simple search of a fairly new agent on our site and show you how the RankMyAgent reviews really do come on top, as he's building out these reviews, and it really does help as clients are trying to find you online and find out what others have said about you. We find that even if consumers may have got a recommendation about you from someone that they know, they're still going to go online and check what they've heard. And when they do check what they've heard, you do want information that is credible and unbiased and really speaks true of that experience. This is a dynamic brokerage widget we have that brokerages are using on their own websites to promote agents in their office. As you can see here, the agents within the office display with the latest reviews that have happened. Now this widget is dynamic so that it's a simple line of code and automatically will be refreshed with the latest reviews that have come on Rank My Agent. The widget is set to be filtered with any reviews that are over 4 out of 5. Now I'm going to pass it back to Anil, who is going to talk more about our mobile strategy.
We clearly didn't want to stop there, and our next project is building our mobile app. We know that agents are constantly on the go with their mobile and more than likely to access RankMyAgent on their iPhones or other Android devices. We've completed our designs for our app, and I'm excited to show you some of the screens. On the far left screen, we're optimizing on some of the key technology elements of iOS, such as pinch and drag. Homeowners can select a specific neighborhood using the pinch and drag to select an area, see a listing of all the agents. They can then review the agents, and if they choose to connect, they simply need to hit the connect button, and via instant messaging, they're able to get in touch with you immediately. We realize how important it is to capture that lead right away at that zero moment of truth, and when our new app rolls out, you'll certainly be seeing how useful that feature is. The next set of screens showcase the clear path that is going to be followed by homeowners and agents, clearly providing for clear and consistent direction. The screen in the middle shows you a listing of all the agents based upon our search bar functionality, which was demonstrated in the desktop version as well. And the screen on the right is again showcasing our mapping functionality. These are our profile screens. Again, you can clearly see the power of a great design as it's allowed to capture all the features that are present on our desktop version. You can see the great image size, the score, all your reviews, the connect feature that I just talked about, how your leads and reviews are tracking in a visual graphic format, and you can even request reviews right from your cell phone. So we're excited about what we've built, and we're more excited to welcome you as a customer of RankMyAgent. So start using the power reviews to get recognized, generate leads, and build your online reputation. Everyone is already talking about you. It's time to join the conversation. I know we've covered a lot of ground here, and you might have some additional questions. Feel free to reach us at support@rankmyagent.com, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions, and definitely it'll be a pleasure to talk to you. Thanks for your time.
Get started with Rank My Agent by calling us at 1-800-615-5978 or emailing us at support@rankmyagent.com. RankMyAgent.com. Real estate simplified. Homeowners satisfied.